Right now, I'm gonna cook some stew peas and not stew peas, my bad. Some rice and peas and stewed chicken. See? So got my beans right there. Drop a little bit of coconut milk in there. And that's enough, thickening up. So drop a little bit more in there. Nice and lovely. Oh. Okay, so come so. Throw a piece of thyme in there. Green pepper. Drop some onion and seasoning nice and lovely, you know. Probably drop a little bit of salt in there too, you know. Just a little bit. Drop a little bit of salt in here. Not too much. You put your desired amount. I just don't like salt like that, you know. Drop the rice in there. Boom. Just make sure that the water is just right, a little bit above the rice, you know. Just, you know, it feels like I can put a little bit more rice in there, not too much, you know. Let's do it. So we'll drop a little bit more rice in there. A little bit, all of that. Yeah, looking so nice and lovely. I'm gonna go ahead and let this cook. And drop a little bit more milk in there. Yep. Drop a little bit more. I use the whole can. Time to deal with the stewed chicken. I fry up the chicken already, so time to put some seasoning in it. See, I got my seasoning. I keep pre-made, pre-cut up seasoning, so always got seasoning ready to go. Cover it nice and lovely with, you know, your thyme and your green pepper and yellow pepper and all these things, you know. Yeah, nice and lovely, look at that. Can't tell you everything, but I'm gonna put this in there. Don't think that this is not just ketchup, it's got other things in it, so mix it up. So I make it cook nice and lovely. Look at that. Alright, make this cook though. Put a little bit more water in it and make it cook though. Cook though nice and lovely. Alright, now we have this stewed chicken looking nice and lovely right now. Gonna let it cook down nicely. Look at that. Look at that. Let it cook down for another 15 minutes. The rice and peas cooking down nice and lovely.
What brings you out? Oh, come on.